A day in my life as a work-from-home mom, solo parent edition. It's Monday today and to start my day, I had to prepare Jeff's breakfast and lunch and dinifrost ko na ang natirang chicken cordon bleu kagabi and fried it for Jeff's baon. Nagluto naman ako ng hotdog para sa agahan niya and while he's having his breakfast, dumiretso na ako na maghanda ng baon niya. Naglagay rin ako ng sauce and for his snacks ay grapes at choco biscuits at saka probiotic drink then I send him off to school. Akala ng karamihan na yan lang ang snacks ni Jeff pero binabaunan ko siya ng pera para kung may gusto siyang bilhin sa canteen nila ay mabibili niya. When I went home ay nag-ayos lang ako sa bahay after ko maligo at napakaganda ng araw ko kasi ang sarap ng tulog ko kagabi. Iba talaga kapag nakakatulog sa gabi ng buong 8 hours. Kaya sinavor ko talaga ang moment na yon. Nag-change lang ako ng sheets sa sofa at nagtanggal ng mga alikabok. Kahit may aircon sa bahay, nakakapasok pa rin talaga ang alikabok kaya need ko maglinis every other day. And na-receive ko itong mga items from Garden Lab at isa itong French lavender scent sa mga scents na gusto ko. So ang satisfying na may iba-iba akong produkto nito. Mayroon akong Ray diffuser na nilagay ko malapit sa TV area at saka essential oils na nilagay ko sa air revitalizer. I also had an antibacterial linen spray at parehas lang lahat to ng klase ng scent and I swear by this product. I also have a scented candle na perfect sa center table ko at hindi rin talaga obvious na fan ako nitong product na to and I will just add the link sa comment section. I just had to munch grapes for my breakfast kasi hindi pa naman ako gutom at napakasarap sa pakiramdam na mabango ang bahay at nakaka-relaxing talaga. Kahit nakakatamad ay syempre kailangan ko pa rin mag-ayos sa bahay and just do my bed because a clean house gives a peaceful mind. Jeff called me dahil half day lang pala sila today kaya gumayak na kami ni Cookie at excited nung sinabi kong isasama ko siya. Pumesto agad sa sasakyan at ready nang sumundo sa Kuya Jeff niya. When I arrived home ay tamang-tama na lunchtime na so si Jeff yung lunchbox na hinanda ko ang kakainin niya while ako hindi pa naman ako nagugutom kaya nag-crave ako ng churros so I made one. I will place the ingredients na lang in a separate mini vlog and after 3 attempts I'd say na na-perfect ko na ang churros ko ngayon. The past 2 tries before I failed talaga kasi hindi ko na-achieve yung consistency na gusto ko at hindi ko ma-form ng maayos. And now I got the correct size of the piping nozzle which made it look exactly how I wanted it to be. I was so satisfied with the result and for me, isa ito sa mga snacks na gusto ko talagang gawin palagi kaso minsan nakakatamad rin gumawa. I also made a homemade dip nito which is Nutella and hot milk then mixed it together. I just arranged it in a plate and niroll ko nga pala ito sa sugar and cinnamon and my meal is ready. We had lunch together with Jeff at yung ibang batch sa kanya naman yun ang ubos talaga niya. After our lunch, I spent the whole afternoon na dito lang sa sala and also did my journal na malapit nang matapos. Sa new year, new journal na naman and new list of aspirations and plans to tick off. With a little walking with Cookie nung hapon na which is the regular thing we do and after that, I went to the kitchen to prepare our dinner. Dahil konti lang ang kinain ko kanina, kakain ako ng marami ngayon. Gagawa ako ng buttered garlic crab then nilagyan ko rin ng homemade chili garlic and added sugar and cornstarch slurry and soy sauce. When the sauce thickened, naglagay na rin ako ng pepper at muntik ko pang makalimutan ang butter. Nilagay ko na ang pre-cooked crab at hinalo na ito at pinakuluan ng konti. Quick and easy meal lang ito kasi medyo nagutom na rin ako and nag-order ako sa kapitbahay ng gulay at nag-prepare na ng dinner namin. I also had sukang pinakurat as my perfect pair for the crabs. I just plated our dinner with Jeff and usually, ang half cup of rice ay okay na sa akin but for tonight, naka 1.5 talaga ako eh. Mapaparami ka rin kasi ng kain kapag ganito ang ulam. Time-consuming nga lang ito kainin kasi si Jeff hindi marunong kumuha ng crab meat so ako na ang gumagawa para sa kanya. This is one of the meals we love eating together. After dinner, I went to my room and the day went by just like that. I had to do my usual night skincare routine because it's also important to take care of ourselves and also trying to keep hydrated before I go to sleep. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!